For science today, we are talking about our pumpkin life cycle. So we talked about the human life cycle, we talked about the life cycle of a frog, ribbit, and then now we're talking about the life cycle of a pumpkin. So we're going to read a story about it, and we're going to learn about it, and then we're going to talk about it, and then you're going to do a work on it. So here we go. Are you ready? When spring winds warm the air, a farmer plants hundreds of pumpkin seeds. I planted some seeds. Every pumpkin seed can become a baby pumpkin plant. Underground, covered with dark, moist soil. The baby plants begin to grow. As the plants get bigger, the seeds crack open. Stems sprout up, roots dig down. Inside the roots are tubes. Water travels up these tubes the way juice goes up a straw. In less than 2 weeks from planting time, green shoots poke up through the earth. Okay. So I'm a root, or no, I'm just a green plant. I'm under the earth and all right. These shoots grow into tiny seedlings. 2 leaves, called seed leaves, uncurl on each stem. They reach up toward the sun. Sunlight gives these leaves energy to make food. Like us, plants need food to grow. You know, I needed energy. But green plants do not eat food as we do. What? Now, I'm not going to act out not eating food. Here we go. Their leaves make it. Oh, okay. So their leaves make their food. Let's give that a try. Excuse me, can you make me some food, please? Okay, human arms don't work as leaves. To make food, plants need light. Well, good thing my lights are on. Water. And air. Okay. Leaves catch the sunlight. How am I going to do that? Hello there, dear sun. Roots soak up the rainwater. Yep, I did that. And little openings in the leaves let air in. Using energy from the sun, the leaves mix air with water from the soil to make sugar. This feeds the plant. Wow, okay. So the plant uses the sun, ta-da, the water, ta-da, and the air to make food so it can grow. Thank goodness we don't have to do that much work to make food to grow. So, soon, broad, prickly leaves with jagged edges unfold on the stems. Look at these. It looks like they're all prickly. The seed leaves dry up. Now the new leaves make food for the pumpkin plant. I can't wait to be a pumpkin, guys. Each pumpkin stem has many sets of tubes. Oh, look how cool. Okay, so here's the stem, and it has little tubes all around inside of it. The other tube in each set sends food back down so that the pumpkin can grow. The days grow warmer. The farmer tends the pumpkin patch to keep the weeds out. Get away, weeds, get away. Weeds take water from the soil. Pumpkin plants need that water to grow. take my water. Weeds, I need it to grow. I need to be a beautiful pumpkin. Weeds, go away. I'm not going to set this near you. Pumpkin plants don't stand up tall. Oh, okay. As the stems grow longer, they sprawl out all over the ground. Before long, twisted, tangled vines cover the pumpkin patch. Soon, flower buds appear on the vines. A pretty flower. After each bud opens, its orange petals grow bigger and bigger and bigger. They look like bright orange umbrellas. During the heat of the day, it's hot again. During the heat of the day, the flowers close up. I can understand. I don't like the heat either. They open again during the cool nights and early mornings. The bright orange flowers attract swarms of bees. Bees? The bees buzz about, bzz, 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 carrying yellow pollen from the male flowers to the female flowers. Now, pumpkins can grow. The petals wither away. Where the flowers bloomed, tiny hard fruits begin to grow. Hundreds of these cling to the vines, kind of like this. See? The days grow hot. Are you kidding me? Heat again? Okay. The days grow hot. All summer, the warm sun. Warm sun. Oh, it's so hot. And cool rain. Help. Cool rain. Cool rain? It's not raining. Oh, wait a second. Cool rain. Okay, got my cool rain. It helps the tiny fruits grow larger and larger. Soon, summer is over. Thank goodness. The corn stalks next to the pumpkin patch turn brown. Leaves on trees turn red, orange, and yellow. Yellow. It sounds like hello. Pumpkins change color too. As they ripen, they change from green to yellow and then to orange. Oh my gosh, that's the pumpkin I know about, the orange pumpkin. Whew. We're getting close. Okay, so first, started out as the seed, and then it grew a little tiny sprout. I think, what did they call it? What did they call it? 1 second, please. Well, it had roots. Oh, seedlings, duh. So the little green shoots turn into seedlings, and then they start spreading out like plants all over the field like that. Remember, I was on the ground showing you how they spread out all over the ground? And then they get the big yellow flowers. So sprawl out, green leaves, yellow flowers, and then the little tiny green pumpkins, little seedling pumpkins grow, and then they get bigger and bigger and bigger, and then they turn green and yellow, and then they get to orange, which is what we're used to, right? In just 4 months, small, flat, white pumpkin seeds have grown into big, fat, orange pumpkins. The pumpkins are ripe and round, with lumps and bumps. They come in all sizes and shapes. and they're waiting in the autumn sun. Some pumpkins will be carved into jack-o'-lanterns for Halloween. Some will be baked into pumpkin pies for Thanksgiving. Oh, please don't bake me. Or cut me. Can I just be a nice little pumpkin on your porch, please? Okay. Colorful leaves turn brown. Winter winds begin to blow. And soon the trees are bare. The farmer looks out over the pumpkin patch where only a few dead vines remain. I'm a dead vine. Okay. But when spring winds warm the earth, once again, he will plant hundreds of pumpkin seeds, and once again, they will grow from seed to pumpkin. And that is our story. So I hope you enjoyed that story. It's all about how even plants, pumpkins, have a life cycle. They start out itty bitty and they get bigger and bigger and bigger as they grow, and they do eventually die. But we're not talking about that. We're just talking about how we change over time, how we get better, how we get bigger, how we get smarter in the humans. I don't really know if pumpkins get smarter. I haven't asked them any questions, so I mean, if you want to ask your pumpkins questions this fall, let me know if they get any smarter as they get bigger. So, I hope you had a wonderful time learning about the plant cycle and the frog cycle yesterday and the human cycle on Monday, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye.